Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Arzaga, and today we will be discussing the strategies in factoring quadratics. So, stay tuned. Let's start off with the strategy for factoring quadratics. Let's start off with example A. So we have 6x squared plus 3x. Our goal is to simplify this equation by factoring the greatest common factor. In this case, it would be 3 for both of them, which would lead to this. When you multiply 3x times 2x, it'll give you the 6x squared, and when you multiply the 3x and the 1, it'll give you the 3x. There's nothing we could do further down to simplify this. This is the simpler version of this equation. So now let's go down to example B. We have 4x squared minus 4x minus 48. The one thing we can conclude from let's start off with example B. 4x squared minus 4x minus 48. So right from the get-go, we can conclude that 4 is the greatest common factor because it'll go into each and every single number that is in the equations, leaving us with 4 parentheses 1x minus 12. But now you realize that we can simplify it even more. So in order to do that, first, we must find the two numbers that will equal the first one and that'll equal the second one. So for example, a plus b, first number and second number, must equal -1 when you add them. A times b must equal -12 when you add them. So now let's get the greatest common factors of -12. So you have 1 and 12, either one can be negative. But by adding these two, do they equal -1? Let's see. Definitely not, right? So let's cross those out. You have 2 and 6. Wherever you decide to put the negative, they still won't equal -1. Oh, this can't be it. So now let's go with the third set. You have 3 and 4. Let's assume we put the negative and the 4. -4 plus 3 will equal -1. So this is the correct one. So now we set it up. We put the x, and this equation will equal the original one. Okay, so a little recap from today. We learned one of the many strategies to factoring quadratics, which was finding the greatest common factor in a quadratic formula. Stay safe, guys.